Ever felt like expense reports were designed to suck the joy out of your workday? You're not alone. We've all been there, that mountain of receipts, the confusing categories, the dread of manual entry. But what if I told you there's a way to conquer that mountain, a way to streamline the chaos, a way to actually enjoy expense reporting? Well, if you're using Expensify, that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. We're going to dive deep into how to submit reports in Expensify, making sure you get reimbursed quickly and painlessly. Whether you're a seasoned Expensify user or a complete beginner, this video is for you. First, let's talk about the foundation, your expenses. Before you can submit a report, you need to get those expenses into Expensify. The easiest way? The mobile app. Snap a photo of your receipt, and Expensify's SmartScan technology will automatically extract the key details: date, amount, vendor. It's like magic, but for accounting. If you're dealing with digital receipts, like online purchases or emailed invoices, forward them directly to your Expensify email address. They'll be automatically added to your account. And if you're using a company card, those transactions will likely sync automatically, saving you even more time. Now, let's get to the good stuff, creating and submitting the report. Once you have your expenses in your account, head to the Expenses tab. Here, you'll see a list of all your captured expenses. Select the ones you want to include in your report. You can filter by date, category, or even merchant to make things easier. Next, click Report. Expensify will automatically create a new report with the selected expenses. Now, this is where you customize. Give your report a descriptive name, like Client Meeting in San Francisco or Monthly Office Supplies. Choose the correct report category, ensuring it aligns with your company's policies. Double-check each expense. Make sure the amounts are accurate, the categories are correct, and all necessary details are filled in. You can add notes or comments to provide context, especially for those less straightforward expenses. If your company requires specific approvals, you'll see an approver field. Select the appropriate person or department. This ensures your report goes to the right place for review. Now, for the final step, submission. Click the glorious Submit button. A confirmation message will pop up, letting you know your report has been sent. And just like that, you're done. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about some advanced tips. If you're a frequent traveler, consider using Expensify's travel feature. It automatically tracks your flights and hotel stays, adding those expenses to your account. This can save you a ton of manual entry. For recurring expenses, like monthly subscriptions, set up automatic expense creation. Expensify will automatically generate these expenses, so you don't have to. And if you're managing expenses for a team, explore Expensify's policy settings. Here, you can define rules and guidelines for your team's expense reporting, ensuring everyone is on the same page. One of the most common questions I get is about merging multiple reports. If you've accidentally created separate reports for the same trip or project, don't worry. You can easily merge them into a single report. Simply select the reports you want to merge and click Merge. Another great feature is the ability to export reports. Need to share your expense data with someone outside of Expensify? You can export your reports in various formats, like PDF or CSV. And remember, Expensify's customer support is always there to help. If you run into any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. They're super responsive and knowledgeable. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide to submitting reports in Expensify. By following these steps and utilizing the advanced features, you can transform expense reporting from a chore into a breeze. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.